Hi, this is Ase. Today I would like to share how to create a shortcut key for a particular macro. For example, let's say I don't want to call a particular user form by pressing this button. So what can we do here is we create a shortcut key. So first we go to developer, then we click on Visual Basic, then we insert a module. Then for this module, then we type the macro that we want. So before that, of course, we need to give a name. Okay, shortcut maybe. Then we type the code that we want. So user form 1.show. Then we back to Excel. Okay, then we go to macros here. Under the drop down list here, we select the macro that we want. Then we click on option. Then we will have a macro options here. So under the shortcut key here, what we have to do, just press the key that we want. So if let's say we want to call the user form by pressing Ctrl plus Q, then we press the Q here. Or if let's say we want to Shift Q also can, then we'll turn to Shift Q. Okay, for this one, okay, maybe we try Q, then press on OK. After that, cancel. Okay, so when I press on Ctrl Q, then the user form will prompt up. Okay, try one more time. Ctrl Q. Okay, Ctrl Q. Okay, so if let's say we don't want to do that, okay, we also have alternative method. So before that, let me delete the module that I just created. Okay, so what can we do here is we press on record macro. Then we create a shortcut key, Q, then we press on OK. After that, we press stop recording. Then we go to Visual Basic, then the modules. Then we type user form 1.show. Okay, then we're back to Excel. Okay, then we do the same thing. We press on Ctrl Q. Then the user form is prompt up. Okay, Ctrl Q. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.